Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install PowerShell on your Windows 11 PC. So this is very easy to do. I'm going to walk you through step by step. So go ahead and just simply open up your browser and type in install PowerShell on Windows 11. You'll find your search result from Google and just simply choose one that I'm choosing, install PowerShell on Windows. This is the reason why I'm telling you to do this is because you will get all the links that you need to install PowerShell very easy. And as you can see right here on this official page here by Microsoft, it's giving you the steps that you need. So what we're going to do now, since we have these steps, we're going to click the Windows key on our keyboard here, and we want to go ahead and type in PowerShell. You will find PowerShell on your PC. As you can see, it says Windows PowerShell. You can go ahead and you can right click on that and run that as administrator. Click on yes, and it should open up PowerShell on your computer, as you can see right here. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click back right here and we're going to copy these links. As you can see, it says PowerShell. We can get a PowerShell ID. We can click and copy right here. And so once we click on PowerShell, we can just left click, or it's a right click rather. We can just right click. We'll get the script there to basically enter. So I'm going to click enter here. And so this is going to basically download the PowerShell. And so it's going to go ahead and show us what the PowerShell IDs are. So right now I'm going to click on Y right here. And so you will see currently the versions available. So here's going to show the versions here. And so you have the available version. And as you can see right here, it says PowerShell. Basically, this is going to search for the latest version of PowerShell. And that's what we did. It shows the latest version of PowerShell. And it basically shows what is there. Now you want to go ahead and install it. And so you have the install PowerShell right here. We click on the second one right here. And now we go back to PowerShell and just simply right click again, and it's going to simply give you the winget install ID, Microsoft.PowerShell source winget. Click enter on your keyboard to run this path here, and it's going to go ahead and download the PowerShell to our computer. As you can see, it's 107 megabyte there, and you can see right now that it started to even install PowerShell on my PC. And you can see right here it says success fully verified install hash, and it's starting to install a package. So we just need to wait, right? And you will see in a moment that it's going to show that it's successfully installed. And as you can see right here, PowerShell is now installed. Now that it's finished install on my computer, guys, we can go ahead and we can close this right here, PowerShell. We can even minimize this on the Windows. Click the Windows key on your keyboard again and simple type in terminal. Now you'll find terminal. You can click on that and it's going to open up terminal. Here it's currently showing PowerShell, but this is the old one. And so we want to look towards the right and find this drop down right here. Click on that and we want to go into settings. Now here where it says default profile, we can switch this from the Windows PowerShell, which is the old one, and we can use the new PowerShell right here. So you click on that, select it, click on save, and then you want to go ahead and click on save again, and you can go ahead and close out of this, click and close all, and that's it. Now if you click the Windows key on your keyboard again and simple type in terminal, now you're going to open this terminal. You can right click on this right now and even run it as administrator. It's up to you, but you will see once you open that, it's going to show you the latest version of PowerShell. And as you can see right here, it's now showing me that I have the 7.5.4, and that's it, guys. So that's how you can easily go ahead and download and install the latest version of PowerShell on your Windows 11. I hope you found this useful, and that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.